What?
Nothing. It's a card from my dad.
What is it? Dear son, happy Festivus? What is Festivus?
It's nothing. It's nothing.
When George was growing
Jerry,
up,
no.
his father hated all the commercial and religious aspects of Christmas,
Yeah.
so he made up his own holiday.
Oh, and another piece of the puzzle falls into place.
All right.
And instead of a tree, didn't your father put up an aluminum pole?
Jerry,
Yeah.
stop it.
And then weren't there feats of strength that always ended up with you crying?
Can't take it anymore. I'm going to work. You happy now?
And at the Festivus dinner, you gather your family around and tell them all the ways they have disappointed you over the past year.
And is there a tree?
No, instead there's a pole. Requires no decoration. I find tinsel distracting.
Frank, this new holiday of yours is scratching me right where I itch.
Let's do it then.
All right.
Festivus is back! I'll get the pole out of the crawl space.
When I came in to the restaurant, Jimmy's, to try to tell George that we were going to have a Festivus party, I had this aluminum pipe. Michael Richards said to me, Jerry, why don't you let the pipe drag on the floor so they can hear the noise of the aluminum on the floor?
Well, happy Festivus.
What is that? Is that the pole?
George, Festivus is your heritage. It's part of who you are.
That's why I hate it.
It's a big dinner Tuesday night at Frank's house. Everyone's invited.
And then instead of at this table, when you're having your Christmas dinner, talking about how wonderful it is to be together, talk about what really irked you during that period of time. What made you angry?
And now, as Festivus rolls on, we come to the feats of strength.
Not the feats of strength.
And then finally, the feats of strength, to actually physicalize that feeling, that anger that you really have had. You saved it up for 12 months. Now let it out.
This year, the honor goes to Mr. Kramer.
Oh, gee, Frank, I'm sorry. I gotta go. I have to work a double shift at H&H.
I thought you were on strike.
Yeah, well, I caved. I mean, I really had to use their bathroom. And Frank, no offense, but this holiday's a little out there.
Kramer, you can't go. Who's going to do the feats of strength?
How about George?
Good thinking, Cougar. Until you pin me, George, Festivus is not over.
Oh, please, somebody stop this.
Let's rumble!
I think you can take him, Georgie.
Come on, be sensible.
Stop crying and fight your father.
Ow! Oh, I got
This is the best Festivus ever!
Oh, no!